did justice to true-to-life characters. His portrayal of Father Jacinto Zamora in the historical masterpiece Gomburza has elevated him to Movie Supporting Actor of the Year. It is truly our pleasure. Congratulations, Mr. Enchong D.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jax Mendoza.
For a while, it's always been a question for me, saan ako pupunta? Hindi ko alam if nakikita ng tao yung efforts na ilalagay ko sa trabaho ko. Pero kanina kausap ako ni Vilma Santos, sabi niya okay daw ako. So sabi ko, yes, para ako nanalo na. Thank you, Vilma Santos po. Tapos, there are so many people that I want to say thank you. The team of Gomburza, Direk Pepe, thank you very much for being such a collaborative director. My best actor, Cedric Juan, you're an inspiration. Dante Rivero, oh my gosh, you're like a gift to Philippine entertainment industry. Thank you very much for sharing your talent to us. Sa lahat ng bumuo ng team ng Gomburza, from our lightsman, cinematographer, utility man, lahat ng tao na hindi natin nakikita sa likod ng camera, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo dahil parte kayo nitong award na hinahawakan ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Gomburza is something very close to my heart. And I want to dedicate this award to all the Filipinos that hasn't gotten their justice in our country. I keep saying that our justice system has gone a long way. We have improved so much, but we have a long way to go. And I want to make Gomburza as a message to all our younger generation that we can do something together. We can see our country great again. And together, we rise, divided we fall. So I just want to say thank you very much, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for this recognition. Thank you very much for all the people that have guided me through the years. Tita Monch, Charlene, Tita Karen, thank you very much. To my Star Magic family, Derek Glory, thank you so much. And also, to God be the glory. Thank you, thank you.
Our next awardee is known for her out-of-the-box roles. She chooses interesting and yet demanding roles to further challenge her acting capabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, MMFF A&Tree Firefly has proven her extraordinary talent once again. So we say, congratulations, Movie Supporting Actress of the Year, Alessandra De Rossi.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Miriam Antonio.
Speech. So, salamat, thank you sa Guillermo Mendoza. Ito ang Guillermo is sa mga unang mga natanggap ng awards nung nag-start ako mga 40 years ago. Charot. Ngayon lang pa ulit kuha na. I think it's my first acting award na Guillermo. Yun. So, thank you for this. Po? Yeah. Akala ko may sabihin po. Sige po. Yun lang. Sabi ni Emboy kanina sa akin daw, Alex, ang dami tayo ng awards. Pwede ba pag sumobra, lagay mo na lang sa bahay? Sabi ko, okay na ba, actress? Yan din mabibenta to. So, yun lang. Thank you ulit. Thank you, GMA. Ang kwento ng Firefly ay tungkol sa isang anak at ang isang ina na nagkawalay at kwento siya ng pagmamahal ng isang ina. At para matanggap ito ng Mother's Day, baka may meaning nga talaga. Kailangan ko na mag-anak. Charot. Okay, thank you.